Welcome on board. We will learn English together.
Family.
Listen and repeat.
My name is Robert. He is my brother. She is my sister. He is my father. She is my mother. He is my grandfather. She is my grandmother. He is my cousin. She is my aunt. He is my uncle.